We're the partners for putting it together. We are the event managers. I am the tournament director, and we've been very privileged to have had the opportunity to help put this together. And we're looking at really growing it and making it a huge league in the country. My name is Digraj Singh. We have a golfing company which has been very integral to golf. We've had the privilege of doing other sports as well, but currently we manage some of the good leagues in the country. We work with the Delhi Golf Club League as partners. We run the league in Lucknow called the Awadh Golf League, a Qutub Golf League, and we are bringing all the learnings of all those leagues into Panchkula, and with the support of the organizing committee, a very interesting and innovative format has been devised, which we believe will actually help the entire golfing ecosystem. And I think over time, all the objectives that they have, which is to build standards of golf, which is to increase the camaraderie between the members and actually catalyze the entire golfing ecosystem, should get delivered. And to that end, we've had a phenomenal start. The launch party was beyond our expectations, and I think a lot of credit goes to the members of the club who have been so generous and welcoming, and they've been accommodating all the incredible new requests that have been made of them. But as sportsmen, they have contributed and they made it a really, really wonderful league. The interesting thing about this league is that, keeping consideration in mind, it's a government-owned company. The land is owned by the government, but they have been able to work so fast in putting it together that in itself, the corporatization and the decision-making in such a short time itself was a revelation. The formats are very unique. The format is such that it will actually help catalyze and improve the handicapping system within the club. Other unique elements are that we've got some good media, we've got some good social media. Some of the guys who are capturing this right now are doing a phenomenal job. And in addition to that, the inclusiveness is unique. They're ladies, they are golfers above 70 years of age. And in a short time, to get all this off the ground successfully and to get good sponsors on board as well has been pretty good. Uniqueness is in these domains. I think everything is being endeavored to be done slightly better. But going forward, I think we'll see a lot of innovations coming.